Hey guys, welcome to Texogen YT once again. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to invest in stocks for beginners using the Trove investment platform. In this video, we are going to cover everything from creating your account on desktop, switching to the mobile app, buying both Nigerian and US stocks, and funding your account. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys a powerful tool that investment enthusiasts are using to stay secure and anonymous online. So let's dive right into the video. Now, we are going to start by creating our Trove account. Now, you can create your Trove account by coming to your Google search and then you just search for Trove Invest or Trove Finance. Now, you're going to tap on the website, which is trovefinance.com, and then you're going to be brought to the homepage of the website. Now, for you to get started, you're just going to tap on Get Started. And now you're going to be brought to this sign up dashboard. Now, you're going to tap on Create an account. Input your email address. I'm going to put in my email address. We are going to tap on continue. You're going to have to put in your mobile number, a password, your nationality, and if you have a referral code, you're going to put your referral code right here. That is my referral code on the screen right there, so you guys can use that to create an account. And once you're done with that, you're going to be brought to the dashboard. Now you can see the dashboard is very clean. It does not have a lot of clutter, and you're going to know what you need to do immediately you are on the dashboard. Before we continue with Trove, I want to talk about something really important for serious investors, which is online privacy and security. Now, Trove is a solid way to build wealth through investing in Nigerian and US stocks, but investment platforms have geo restrictions and account limits, and they get very cautious with different devices or networks. That's why I keep Go Login in my toolkit. It is an anti-detect browser that creates separate profiles with unique fingerprints and locations. So whether I'm managing multiple investment accounts, running Facebook or TikTok pages for marketing, handling Amazon seller accounts, or researching different markets, I can do it all without triggering red flags. Since Trove handles your money, privacy matters, and more, Go Login hides your digital fingerprint and keeps your data secure on any network. Plus, I can research opportunities in different regions since availability and pricing vary by location. If you are serious about investing smarter and safer or managing multiple online accounts, there's a link in the description with 2 gig of free proxy traffic to start. Alright guys, now we are going to be switching over to the mobile app. I've downloaded the Trove app on my smartphone with my account, and I'm going to log in with the account we just created. So you guys can see the mobile experience is just as smooth as the desktop version, and you can see all the same features are available, but here it is now optimized for mobile trading. Now let's talk about funding your account. Now Trove offers several funding options to make it easy for Nigerian investors. You can fund your account through bank transfer, card payments, or even through their partnership with various Nigerian banks. Now, for you to do this, you're going to tap on the 3 pile icon at the top left corner of the screen. You're going to tap on your balances, and then you can see your vote right here. You can see US portfolio cash, and then you can see your NG portfolio cash to fund your NG portfolio, and this to fund your US portfolio. Now, one thing I really love about Trove Investment is the fact that you can fund your US portfolio directly with Naira. So you have to do is tap on that, and then you can fund using your Naira debit card, or like I said before, through their collaboration with other platforms like Pega, you can also fund your US portfolio using Pega. Now, for your NG portfolio, you can fund your Naira directly through your Naira card or also through Pega, and then there's a third option for bank transfer where you can transfer directly into your Trove account. Now, once you have funded your account, next thing you can do is you can start buying stocks. And now we are going to start with Nigerian stocks because many of you guys are probably more familiar with companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Here you can see popular Nigerian stocks like Dangote Cement, GT Bank, Zenith Bank, and many others. And for you to see that, all you have to do is of your screen where it says search assets and symbols, and then you can just search for any asset. So let's say I want to invest in MTN stocks. You can just search for MTN, and then you can see the MTN stocks right there. You can just tap on that, and over here you can see the current price of MTN stock. One MTN stock right now is going for 445 naira. And over here you can check the price fluctuation over the day. You can check it over the week. You can check it over a month, over 3 months, and over a year. So you can use this to check both the uptrend and downtrend of the Nigerian stocks. Now, once you are all right with checking this, for you to buy this stock, you can tap on buy. But before you buy, you can see this option that says set up recurring purchase, meaning you can keep investing in this stock weekly or monthly. So you can put a preset amount and then you can set up a recurring purchase. Now for you to buy this, you're just going to tap on buy and they are going to be brought to this tab. Now on this tab, you can put the amount of MTN shares you would like to buy. And now I'm just going to tap that in. So for this amount, you're going to be getting this amount of shares. You can see the share price is 450. That's your buying power. And then you can also see your service fee. Now, while you're buying shares over here, you can see there's market buy and then there's limit buy. Now, market buy means you're buying your shares at this current price of 445 naira. Now, if you tap on limit buy, it means you can set a price. Let's say you want to buy a little bit lower than 445. Maybe you want to buy when MTN stocks was 400 naira on the dot, so you can buy at that price. So your buy order is not going to be confirmed immediately. It's only going to be confirmed when MTN stocks are now trading for 400 naira for one, and then that's when your order is going to be completed. Now, once you tap in your amount, you're going to reveal the cost and then your shares are going to be added to your account. And the same goes for buying US stocks. Now, for buying US stocks, you're going to tap on this toggle right here and then you're going to switch to your US portfolio. Now, after switching to your US portfolio, you're going to do the same thing. You can just come to the Explore tab. You can search for any assets. You can decide to search for Apple shares, and then once you see the shares you're looking for, you're going to tap on it, and it's basically the same thing as buying Nigerian stocks. So you can just check the price fluctuations over here, and then you can either buy or sell. And like I said before, you can fund your dollar account using your Naira bank account. Now, after you are funded, you can now buy the shares, and the shares are going to be added to your account. Now, once you have made your investments, you can track everything in your portfolio section. So you're just going to tap on the portfolio tab right here, and then Trove is going to provide very detailed analytics, performance tracking, and even educational resources to help you become a better investor. So over here, you can see all the stocks I currently have, and then you can also see some recommended stocks for you to buy. So guys, that's all for the video. That's how easy it is to start investing in both Nigerian and US stocks using the Trove platform. Whether you're using the desktop version or the mobile app, the process is straightforward and very beginner friendly. If you found this simple tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to TechSurgeon YT for more fintech and investment tutorials. Also, don't forget to check out Go Login in the description if you are serious about maintaining privacy and security in your online financial activities. Thank you guys for watching, and I want to catch you guys in the next one.